Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Plantronics Voyager Focus UC headset. We'll start by identifying the key components, then move into the initial setup process. Next, I'll guide you through connecting your headset to a computer using the USB adapter. Finally, we'll cover the steps for pairing your headset with a mobile device via Bluetooth, ensuring you can use it wherever you go. Before pairing, let's get familiar with your setup. First, locate the small USB adapter. This is crucial for computer connections. Make sure your Voyager Focus UC headset is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours. Find the 3-position power switch on the ear cup, which also controls Bluetooth pairing. For optimal performance and customization, consider installing the Plantronics Hub software on your computer. Connecting to your computer is straightforward. Begin by inserting the USB adapter into an available USB port on your desktop or laptop. Next, slide the power switch on your Voyager Focus UC headset to the on position. The headset and adapter are pre-paired and should connect automatically, indicated by a solid blue light on the adapter. For personalized settings and firmware updates, open the Plantronics Hub application. To pair with a mobile device, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone or tablet. Then, slide the power switch on your Voyager Focus UC headset to the Bluetooth icon and hold it there until you hear pairing and the LED flashes red and blue. On your mobile device, select PLT Focus from the list of available Bluetooth devices. Once connected, you'll hear pairing successful and the LED will stop flashing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.